Hi, I'm Caren. Welcome to Texas Farmstead Living. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 100% whole grain einkorn sourdough tortillas. What you'll need for this project. So of course we're using whole milled, freshly ground einkorn. So you'll need einkorn wheat berries if you choose to mill your own. Now I have a Nutri-Grain mill. I think I've had it since like 2007 and it's still going strong, but we're gonna mill our wheat berries in that in a few minutes. If you're not milling your own wheat berries, just find some freshly ground einkorn flour, which at Barton Springs Mill in Dripping Springs, Texas, they carry that. You'll also need a sourdough starter. I have a video on how to make a sourdough starter for wild yeast and also a video on how to take care of your sourdough starter. But look back on some of those videos because the way that I do it is so easy, and you only feed your sourdough starter the amount that you're going to use for your recipe. And pretty much all of my recipes use the same amount of sourdough starter. Super easy. Okay, you do not have to have a tortilla press, but it's really, really easy and it really makes beautiful tortillas. If you don't have a tortilla press, a rolling pin works great. You will need some sea salt and you'll need beef tallow. Now we also have a video how to render beef tallow. Look back at that and you'll see my easy method for doing that. But if not, you can use lard or some people use coconut oil. And I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and learn how to do some of these things, and you'll get notified when I have a new video. Also, if you have it, a kamal is really, really easy and to cook your tortillas, and you can use them for a lot of things. This is a Lodge. They're widely available. I just bought a second one yesterday at my hardware store in my town. So I think we're ready to get started. go over a few tips that will help make you successful in making your tortillas. So first of all, if you have a tortilla press, I want to show you a little trick to help keep your tortillas from sticking. So if you'll just take a little bit of water and just kind of put it on each side of the tortilla press. And if you're going to use, this is a Ziploc bag that's been cut in half. And if you use plastic, you can use this. So it'll stick to your tortilla press because you put the water. Just like that. Okay, another way of doing that, which I use, is you can use the unbleached parchment paper, and you would just use a piece on each side and press your dough out. It works great. So there's two ways to use the tortilla press. Of course, you can use a rolling pin, completely, fine for that. If you have a Kamal, it makes it so easy because you just get this really hot at medium high, and it just makes your life a lot easier. Plus, you can use it for a ton of other things. Another tip is after you make your tortillas, keep them covered in a dish towel to keep them soft. Also, on the Einkorn tortilla dough, I always put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour and let it chill, because it is so much easier to roll out chilled dough that's made with Einkorn flour. It just makes a huge difference, because Einkorn, it's really, this will be your first time to try using Einkorn, but it's a lot stickier than regular wheat dough. So that kind of makes it unique. And so my way of dealing with that is refrigerating the dough. Making your own tortillas is so easy, and they are so much more delicious than anything you can buy in a package. I hope I've inspired you to make your own, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. We have lots of content on sourdough and baking with 100% whole wheat. We also are into organic wheat farming now, and so check out some of our videos if you're interested in that. Thank you for watching. From our Texas Hill Country farmstead to you, have a blessed day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.